When I was in class 11th, I had this great problem coping up with maths. And I'm pretty sure a lot of you will relate to me. And it was then this YouTube video, Exam Fear, came to my rescue. Well, the tricks, the methods, the approach were simple yet tremendously helpful. Exam Fear is a one-stop platform that provides free quality education. That's right, all their videos are accessible to anyone just for free. Well, they have around 4,300 videos on maths, physics, chemistry, and biology from class 6 to 12. And trust me, guys, it's not just me who feels this way, but there are numerous people across India who feel that Exam Fear is very beneficial. Here, have a look.
This is Rajiv Atal and I am very thankful to examfear.com who support me a lot. मैंने जब examfear.com के वीडियोस YouTube पे देखे तो मुझे इसके वीडियोस बहुत ही अच्छे लगे. मैंने जब इसकी वेबसाइट में इनके वीडियोस देखे तो इन्होंने बहुत ही डिटेल में समझाया है और बहुत ही इजी तरीके से समझाया है. So I request to every student so must watch these videos and subscribe this channels because this only website who provide us free study materials and I am very thankful once again examfear.com to support us.
Hello sir, hello ma'am, this is Ganta Saranya from Berhampur, Odisha. I have completed my standard 12, now preparing for medical exams. When I came across your channel on YouTube, it was really awesome. The way you teach, the way Exam Fear is, it's the best channel ever, and you are really gods for all the students we have. And when I came across this channel, I was really poor in physics and chemistry. I was really unable to understand basic concepts in detail, but when I came across this channel, the basic concepts were clear. Thank you for providing the best quality education ever. Exam Fear.
I'd like to say thanks to Exam Fear as it has helped me a lot in explaining the concepts of physics, chemistry and biology. Taking physics as my weak point, I would really prefer Exam Fear, and I also recommend all the students in India to use Exam Fear for the success of their lives.
My kids have been using this Exam Fear for the last 2-3 years, and it has been of great help and use for them, especially in such a busy traffic roads in Bangalore where kids don't need to travel to long places for extra tuitions and extra classes and coaching. They can just sit at home and on the computer they can clarify any doubts, anything, whatever they want to. The concepts and the practically of the topics have been explained so well in that it has been helping kids everywhere.
Hello, I am Neha Sonali and I teach physics to class 11th and 12th class students. I have been seeing videos on examfear.com, so I just wish to express my thoughts and share my thoughts with all. The video lessons provided there are very much valuable. They are not only valuable in terms of knowledge, but they are very much up to date, and most importantly, they are free of cost. So these videos act as a high quality classroom lectures. Those students are not able to find good teachers who can explain the concepts to them in a better way and who can explain their doubts and solve them. So those students, they don't need to worry now. They can just log into examfear.com and they can start studying. Also, examfear.com is making videos keeping in mind the general capability and grasping level of the students. So these video lessons are not only helpful for the students who are very much intelligent or who are below average. They are good for all types of students. Utmost care has been taken to explain the concepts in a good way, in a better way. Examfear.com is actually removing the fear of exams.
It's very beneficial for the students of 9 to 12. And we at Fortune World School, we don't actually encourage children to go for tuition. And therefore in that way, examfear.com helps them to revise the chapters more than once, as many times they want, even when they are at home. So that is a great benefit for them, that they don't have to go for all those commercial tuition center, that they don't have to visit those places. But then on the other hand, they can also revise their lessons as many times they want, even at home.
Well, Examfear now has over 1 lakh subscribers, and not just that, they have now tied up with a number of NGOs and are providing them with free and quality education. So if you find yourself in a situation like this, where you're facing problem coping up with subjects like maths, physics, chemistry and biology, you know where you have to go. If you have fear from exams, get no more fear from exams. And if you haven't checked it out yet, go have a look. Subscribe to their YouTube channel, Examfear Videos, and also check out their 4-way learning process in their website, examfear.com. No more fear from exams. Thank you.